Folks, vape pens are pretty popular now, and you can put weed little cartridges in there with THC. And the question is, people are getting charged with a felony for this stuff. And I want to let you know that that is not necessarily a felony. And the case of State v. Stevenson really outlines what's going on with this, where Stevenson was caught with 3 vape cartridges that were tested positive for THC in the lab. And so they charged Stevenson with the felony possession. Now, the vape cartridges only weighed about 14 or 15 grams. Now, that's going to become important later. So Stevenson's defense attorney filed a motion to dismiss and said, this is not a felony. In order to get a felony possession of THC, you've got to prove the source of the THC. Is the source resin from the plant, or is the source a synthetically laboratory created synthetic THC? If you have THC in those vape cartridges that is from the resin of the plant or is from a synthetic source, you do have a legit felony charge. We get that. But they did the depositions of the lab analysts. And guess what the lab analyst said? What they've said in other cases that we've talked about. The lab analyst said, I found THC here, but I can't tell you the source of the THC. I can't tell you whether it's a synthetic laboratory created source or whether it's a natural source. So there, you don't have a felony there. Also, I can't tell whether the THC in these vape cartridges was brought in from the resin of the plant, right? It is a felony to get your THC from the resin of the plant. And the lab analyst is like, I don't know. I don't know where this THC came from. I'm here to test it. I found it. I'm reporting that I found it. Can't tell you where it came from. And the court in Stevenson said, okay, that's fine. We are dismissing your felonies. These are a misdemeanor. Because in Florida, possession of cannabis under 20 grams is a misdemeanor. And in this case, these vape cartridges weighed 14 grams total, the 3 of them. So Stevenson, felony dismissed for the vape cartridges, down to a misdemeanor, because the state, time and time again, folks, cannot prove where this THC came from. And if you can't prove where it came from, you've got yourself, if it's under 20 grams, you got yourself a misdemeanor, not a felony. And there you have it.